We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline.
What?
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
In there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer food. Everybody coming from the hood, on a kidnapping. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same plot, living in a pinnacle. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
In there.
We throwing
Money in the airline.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Coming with a ski man, bit with that ski bag, with a 4-4 with the 4-0. Mojo, the big in here, I don't care. Keep playing in here. I don't care. I'm dancing everywhere. Everywhere, flowing everywhere. Designers everywhere. Stop playing with me, man. I could have been signed, man. NBA, where my contract at? Where my contract at, NBA?
Oh my God!
Where my contract at, NBA?
Oh my God!
Anyways, you know what time it is. It's gonna be a nice, short, and efficient stream. You know what I'm saying? Everybody get to it. So I ain't gonna waste no more time. 3:28. And let's get to it. I ain't wasting y'all time. For nothing, I'm gonna get straight to it with the calendar. As you can see, we are looking at the week of August 10th to August 14th, Friday the 14th. So Monday, Tuesday, no major economic news for the US, but on Wednesday we have core CPI, dropping monthly, yearly, and all that stuff. And then Thursday we have core PPI dropping monthly, and then unemployment claims on Thursday. And Friday we have our retail sales, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But on here on our Jan Hancock weekly recap, as you can see, no major news reports on Monday. Tuesday we have existing home, National Association of Realtors, and then like I said, the consumer price index is dropping, and then the producer price index is dropping, with unemployment claims are dropping, Department of Labor, and the University of Michigan Index Consumer. And with that, let's drop into our earnings. So this is what we have for our earnings. As you can see, not anything major that pops out to me. Maybe Hims been getting cooked. No, Hims been getting cooked. Oh, I was wrong.
Oh my God!
Shit went up 100% over the past 6 months. Down 2%. Damn, Hims been going crazy. I know we got plug here, plug power. No, not anything major. I don't see any major stocks dropping earnings this week. Nothing is making me nervous. Should be a calm, cool day. We got Virgin. Okay, yeah, I don't see anything major. Nothing major with earnings. SE up literally 5% at 6 months. Yeah. Anubis up 100%. 100 and sheesh. One point it was up crazy. Now it's on a downtrend. Nubis. Maybe look into Nubis. You know what? I'm gonna look into Nubis. Everybody Dusky. Is this company called Nubis? Nubis. What is Nubis about? Give me a summary. Nubis is a tech company. It is a European provider of infrastructure and services to build AI globally. The group builds full stacked infrastructure to service the growth of all the AI industries, including the scale of GPU clusters, cloud platforms, tools, services for developers. It has R&D hubs across Europe, North America, and Israel. Okay. Israel, just one random ass country. Just had to drop that in there. Okay, so overview. Yeah, for the past month, down 14%. Past 6 months, up a lot. Financials wise, revenue. As you can see, our revenue on they've been growing revenue like crazy. See, gross is net income. How about that net income? Net income is growing too. Then we are on, let me see, the quarterly. Quarterly, this is what we've been reporting. Very mixed. 2024. So, about drop earnings, gross profit, operating income. Let's see, income statement. So here, as you can see, operating income, pre-tax, net income, seeing some growth on a quarterly basis. Very, very see, total assets, total asset there at wow, it's separated the total assets currently. Let's go on a annual basis. 22 million. Let's see, billion. $22 billion in total assets, liability. So shareholders' equity around $7 billion. Additional metrics. Pretty cool. Let's look at the cash flow. Cash flow look good. Investing cash flow. I love this website, man.
Oh my God!
Like, this website is so nice and got the ratios, market cap, price ratio. Just look at that. Really cool. But I'm a technical analysis trader. Boom. Let's look at SpySki. Let's look at the Mag 7. Do a little quick recap. Last week, Meta has been consolidating at this 600 to 585 level. Hopefully we push above, especially after earnings, and then rebounded back up to this level. Tesla is still pushing, but I don't know. There might be some Tesla plays, short-term Tesla plays right here, as we're making a higher high. Maybe we retest that support. That's like big play. Microsoft finally broke out this resistance and it's going crazy. It's at $500. Just crazy.
Oh my God!
And then as we go to Google, slid a little bit. I have to try to break this resistance. We're gonna see. Apple also slid after earnings last week, but are we gonna break above the resistance and push back to 340 or go down back to the $280 level? And then if we go to Amazon is currently at this resistance, chilling. Last week, fake breakout, and then it just literally consolidating above this level. And then Nvidia doing Nvidia does, not do shit. Moved a little bit, but And then SpaceX, man. SpaceX has been going on a tear ski. SpaceX just going crazy. SpaceX. It might be time to buy some SpaceX, man. Trade. I need to start trading SpaceX. I need sleeping on that bag. On that bag. But I'm already marking that up. I should not be marking up for free. And can y'all see me? All right. Let me. Oh man, it'd be cool. Let me let my ears breathe a little bit. But oh, let me clear the charts. I did a little light summary, and I'm gonna clear. Show my new ideas. So I show my new ideas. It's time for me to Dado ski. Dado ski. Clear that. This. So why do we clear the chart? Why do we clear the chart? We clear the chart so have fresh new ideas. We don't want to have lagging information. You don't want to trade on old lagging information. What makes this very powerful is that if you clear a chart and you can able to redraw, you are able to redraw the same same technical pattern, powerful pattern. It's a little hint. It's a little gem for me. That means that that's a strong support, strong resistance, and you've seen it week over week. And if you see it break, get in and get out. You know what I'm saying? Get your money, get your money. We're all about getting our money. And so we on the meta right quick. Zoom in on the weekly. Meta just it's on this trend right here. I'm gonna lie, like I'm not buying meta until meta gets this level right here. But in the meantime, we have this support level right here. Drop that there. Meta is trying to, break, and it's gonna retest that. It's this trend line right here. We have Meta testing that trend line, then resistance, and resistance right there, and drop that there. As you can see, if we go into on the daily, Meta, and dang, ain't a lot shit about Meta here. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Lack of preparation or lack of a bag doesn't make you and lack of balls. You gotta have some freaking balls in this market, man. Make some freaking bread. You gotta have some kahunas. Gotta have some kahunas, man. And just trade. You gotta have some kahunas, man. Gotta have some kahunas. Make some money in the chart. But really, I'm gonna say that's my long-term play. Short-term, seeing this right here. Delete these. Delete these. Short term. Boom. Boom. And we can get popping up here. Go back on the weekly. And we draw that support level on a weekly. Level on a this is just up here. Right. I don't want to have too much on my chart. Now we said I just gave y'all that. Go back on the monthly and go to Tesla. Oh my gosh, Tesla down high on 30%. Decent buy if you invest in long term. Decent buy long term, down 30%, down to the 2025 lows. Well, not so quite, but Tesla's been sliding. Slide to the left, slide to the right. So I'm not getting some Tesla. What do I see here? So Tesla's back in this little zone right here. Nothing too impressive. But we have a little bullish and bearish engulfing on this side. Did the same thing I saw, but smaller time frame. Like there's a small play available right here. Smaller play available. This. Oh yeah, I like Tesla too. Smaller time frame. This might be a play right here. Twitter. Twitter. I'm gonna create a Twitter. Tezzy right there. Go to Microsoft. See Microsoft. Soft my V going to be Soft looking pretty good. Liking this channel. Hey. Regular. After earnings, Microsoft too. So, do I see any short-term plays with Microsoft? I do. Short-term play. Microsoft pushing to all-time highs. So I see Microsoft pushing to 550 level. Or see Microsoft. Then let's go to Google. Enter Google. Very indecisiveness. Past few months, Google. And as you can see, I like this. The bulls that still want to keep this momentum going with Google. Seeing the same support. Same support. Same resistance here. Was at this support. Also, this can be resistance too. And look, like that. Google might be my favorite play. Soft. You can see with Microsoft, Apple. Signs of weakness at the very top highs. Price respecting market structure. Put that there. Cover resistance. It was supports. And guess what? This resistance can be support. Vice versa. Verse. I can't even say that word. Vice versa. Let's go to Amazon, man. Amazon. It's at all-time highs. I don't know. I have a hard time trading. I don't think I've gotten solid win. Jeff Bezos. That's why. Get a dub off of you. I can't get a dub off him. I was right, but I just called it too far. It's that bald head, man. That bald ass head. Bezos' bald head keeps me from getting profits. I know I love his products. Pause. I like Prime, man. Ordering stuff as possible. Now we were in NVIDIA. Man, I feel like NVIDIA also is about to fly, bro. Look at this bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, monthly, weekly. We almost taking off. Buy some video. On the video ski here, there. weekly too, daily. Drop that there. SpaceX pool or SpaceX gonna come back to $50 level. See, I'll go to SPY monthly. Pushing above. Beautiful break. Distance right here. I didn't trade it, of course. Drop that. And we can do phase right here. Hour. Then we can see what's popping. Q. Weekly. See views on this. Bearish engulfing. The weekly, daily. FQQ. Popping.
Rich millionaire.
Yeah. Off it perfectly last week. Push. Attention. On ski. On with the wind. For example, breaking resistance. On. Turn plays available, of course. Other than that, appreciate y'all for a live stream, but I had to get straight to it. I'm also trading Oracle. Fresh Oracle. Fresh some Oracle. Oracle. Last 2 months been struggling, but August have been showing Oracle some love, and now at bases drop that resistance support. Eagle. But shorter term. Baby. Two. Time frame. 8. Good. 80. Trade on, man. Oracle. Tesla. Other than that, Diamond Traders out. Love y'all so much. And hope y'all make some profit, man. Pray to God to watch over y'all. God bless. God bless. Prophet Nation, we rise. Let's get it.